Hello, I'm Jenny Gomez with the Elite Home Sales team at RE/MAX Professionals. I want to welcome you to 2740 East Otero Place, located in the Otero Ridge condominium complex. This charming 2-bedroom, 1-bath condo with fresh paint and new carpet is situated in such a prime location. The complex is surrounded by all of your everyday needs and necessities, so the convenience is right here. Plus, it's just minutes away from the streets of South Glen, where you'll find shopping and dining and entertainment. Plus, it's just right around the corner with easy access to 470. Well, let's take a look and let's see what you think. Well, if you think that this is the right place for you, then you're certainly going to appreciate the added bonuses of clubhouse and pool, fitness center, as well as reserved parking, which is just steps away from your front door. This 2-bedroom, 1-bath home is priced at $265,000. If you'd like your own private showing, give me a call, Jenny Gomez, at 303-880-8270.